Hello, and welcome to another Imagineat Tech Tip. My name is Leo Levian, Civil Specialist with Imagineat. In this video, we will review how to update parts lists from one drawing to another. In our first scenario, we will update parts lists to a drawing with no pipe networks. It will be a simple drag and drop method from the source drawing to the target drawing via the Toolspace Settings tab. It'll be easy and familiar. The second scenario will be updating the parts list to a drawing with an existing pipe network. Again, we will use the drag and drop method from the source drawing to the target drawing using the Toolspace Settings tab. But because there is an already existing pipe network in the destination drawing, you may need to take an extra steps to see the added parts. Let's jump into Civil 3D and see this in action. I have all three drawings already in play here. I have a source drawing that will have an edited sanitary parts list, a target drawing with no pipe networks, and a target drawing with pipe networks. Let's make an edit live here. I'm going to look at my source drawing and going to go here to my pipe networks, my parts list, and I'm going to modify the sanitary parts list here. Let's go to the Structures tab here. And perhaps we can add a new part size here. Let's go into a 60-inch manhole, and that would be in this case a 5-foot sanitary sewer manhole that we're added here. We can look at the parts list, the style and the rules that were added in here. That looks good. Let's go to the Pipes tab. How about instead of just adding a part here, we go ahead and add an entire family. Let's go in here and add in, for example, I don't know, some concrete piping. And let's go ahead and add a size here. I'm just going to add in a 12-inch. I can look at naming this, changing a style, changing the rules, whatever I need to do inside of here. That's it. It's a live edit here. I will save these changes. Now what I would like to do is take this from the source drawing and add it to my target drawing here. As I activate my target drawing here, I'm looking at the Settings tab of my target drawing. You'll notice here that it has the old parts list, no concrete, no exercise manhole. So what I'm going to do here is via the same Settings tab, by activating my source drawing here, I'm using the active drawing settings mode, as you'll notice. I will go down here to Pipe Networks, Parts List, find my sanitary sewer from my source drawing, and simply drag and drop it. I'll get notice that that parts list exists, and what I'm going to choose here is to overwrite it. As I hit OK, it brings that network on over, that parts list on over, and I can then explore here in my target drawing, no pipe networks. I can scroll down and see that that parts list has indeed been updated. You can also work this by setting your drawing out here from active to master view, which allows you to see all drawings. Again, going from the source drawing to the target drawing with a pipe network here. So again, here for my source drawing, I can navigate down here to my parts list and see that sanitary sewer. I can drag and drop it. You'll notice that it'll give me again the option to overwrite. Yes, that's what I'll choose. And I see a pipe network already created here. Here's my target drawing with pipe networks. And what I want to show off here is that that pipe network did update as well. Parts list, sanitary sewer. Again, there's the updated part. There's the updated manhole. Now, I have seen cases where if I wanted to go through here and edit my pipe network, I have seen cases where it doesn't update the list. See that list there, not updated? See the pipe, not updated? I have seen this happen. The trick here is this, is to set this part list to anything else. I'm going to go here and set it to standard. And then go back and revert to it. And then you'll see the added elements into each of these categories. So you have to take that pipe network and edit it and do a switcheroo on the pipes list to something else other than sanitary and then reset it back to sanitary, and it should work out just fine for you. Thank you for watching. I would like for you to test out these options and see how it works for you. Make sure to visit our website for more Autodesk related content, and have a great day.